parts of conditional sentence wajjin ilaalle turre. Har'a immoo conditional sentence type 1 wajjin ilaallaa garuu barnoota. Conditional sentence type 1. Conditional sentence type 1 is a kind of conditional sentence that we use verb 1 on both parts of the conditional sentence. Conditional sentence type 1 kan jennuuf yeroo baay'ee verb 1 fayyadamuuf conditional sentence type 1 jenna jechuudha. For example, to begin the sentence, a phrase, I will stay at home. This sentence is conditional sentence. It has two parts. If phrase, that's one part. I will stay at home, that's another part. So it has part. On both parts, we have verb 1 or V1. A phrase, this is verb 1. I'll stay, this one is verb 1. On both parts, we have the verb 1, verb 1. Conditional sentence type 1. This is the secret that most of the learners do not understand. Type 1 has to do with verb 1. If she comes early, she will take a test. And this sentence again, we have two parts. The if part and the main part. And the if part, which are the verb, comes. Comes is verb 1. We have here come, came, and come. Verb 3. Come is verb 1. Now we have V1. And second part, she will take a test. Will is verb 1. On both parts, we have verb 1, verb 1, conditional sentence type 1. Has to do with verb 1. I will give you if I have an extra pen. I will give you if I have extra pen. What are the two parts? I will give you that the main part, if I have an extra pen, that is the if part. On both parts, we have verb 1, verb 1. I will give you, that is will is V1. That's verb 1 again, conditional sentence type 1. Gabaabinaan conditional sentence type 1 kan jennuun both part, the if part, the main part keessatti verb 1 waan qabuuf conditional sentence type 1 jenna. Based on this one, let's move on to exercise. Mee asirratti hin doofne hima tokko haga gaaffilee tokko sadii kana akkaataa baranne kanaan waliin hojjannaa ammas turtiin keessan na faana. If she blank the answer, she will tell you. If she blank answer, she will tell you. Which part is given? In conditional sentence, most of the time, one part is given and another part is omitted. Conditional sentence keessatti part lama keessatti tokko kennama tokko immoo kennama jechuudha. Isa kenname salphaadha jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf tokkoffaa if she blank answer, she will tell you. She will tell you this is the main part. Main part in kenname jira. Verbi as keessa jiru as keessa jiraata jechuudha. As keessa verbi yoo jiraate as verbi yoo jiraate. As keessa verbi yoo jiraate as keessa verbi yoo jiraate. As verbi yoo jiraate. She will is verb 1. And what about this one? Verb 1. Because they have similar structure, similar verbs. One verb will fakkaatu partii lachanii waan qabataniif asittis verb 1. Okay, let's look at A, new. New is verb 1, verb 2. Verb, excellent. Verb 2. All right. Nice. What about this one? Verb 1, verb 2. Verb 1. All right. V1. And now, verb 1 or verb 3? This one's V3. Verb 3. And now, that's the new part. Now we have verb 2, verb 1, verb 3, and verb 1 with without them. If she, verb 1. Verb 1. So, if she knows the verb answer is B. If she knows the answer, she will tell you. Now we have verb 1 in the if part, and again verb 1 in the main part. This conditional sentence type 1. Because in conditional sentence type 1, we have verb 1 on both parts, the if part and the main part. Conditional sentence keessatti if part fi main part keessattis verb maal verb will fakkaatu qabna jechuudha. What about this one? Will now. D kana maal taane. Bakka if part jiru tokko if part jirutti will fayyadamu jedha. We cannot use will or modal verb in the if part of the conditional sentence. Kanaafuu with noun main part is fayyadamu malee bakka if part jirutti fayyadamu. Kanaafuu kun very good. Number 2. They black a bus at the arrival time. Which one is given? The main part or the if part is given? in the second sentence, the if part is given. Come together, if part is given. If part is given, and they have arrived on time. Okay. Then we'll look at the verb. Arrive is verb one. And if part is verb one, main part is the limata, verb one. As it is verb one, very much. So the drink is catch. They catch. And they catch a bus and they arrive on time. B, A, V1, B comes, V2, and we catch this one is V1. Amma kenname kami, if party kenname, main party is a main party is that you don't have market a modal verbs, will, should, main, will, should, could, will, others, modal verbs. You want to and move, main party is that modal verb, verb one. Natural. The nature is a verb one, verb. Kanafu, eta amo, beta. Eta answer A or B. Which one is the answer? No, A? No, it's not A. Why? Because this one is catch, is verb one, we use it if clause. In the main part, you use it with plus V1, with plus V1, and again with plus V1. So this one's main part, we have to use with plus V1. So the correct answer for number 2, C. They will catch a bus if they arrive on time. Minus wrong is now. Main part is to modal verb if conditional type 1 is will plus verb 1 if okay. I stay main part will plus verb 1. Okay, should take a test again will plus verb 1. Will verb 1 if main part is they will as that's good. Number 3. If I like your book, I'll give you. Which part is given? The if part or the main part? Okay, I'll give you. Look at it. The main part is given. Now we are looking for the if part. If part, upper one. If I like, let's look at ega main part kename. Main part is verb kename. Verb main part is kename. Kanan school fakata. In the good verb one is verb one. Kanafu verb kename. We plus verb one. That's V1. Since verb 1, can we use verb 2, verb 2, verb 1, verb 1. Verb 1, verb 1, on both parts. Part 11, verb 1, verb 1, let's look at A, seen. Seen is verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Verb 3. See, saw, and see. So this is V3. V3. Okay, number 2, saw. Verb 1, verb 2. This one, V2. Alright, this is V2. Number C. Okay, let us see that is V1 and this one is V plus V1. Okay, now we have in if part. Seen. If I seen, is that right? Use V3? This one's not. Alright. Okay, and you saw we have verb 1 here. As verb 1 verb 1 verb 2. So the quick answer C. If I see your book, I will give you. Because you use similar verbs on both parts. The if part is verb 1 and the if part is verb 1. Okay, to wrap up in order to this lesson, let's just learn it. Conditional sentence type 1. Conditional sentence type 1. Conditional type 1. Which is the verb is verb 1 on both parts. Conditional